Hello students, our today's topic is expansion of a plus b plus c bracket square. Okay, so let us derive the formula for a plus b plus c bracket square. Our equation is a plus b plus c bracket square. Now because of that square, here also I can write that bracket two times. So a plus b plus c, another bracket will be same a plus b plus c. Now we can multiply that. Now we can multiply that term with that second bracket because we have to take a product. So we will separately multiply with a with that bracket, then b with that bracket, and then c with that bracket with positive separated with by positive sign, plus sign. So a multiplication a plus b plus c plus b multiplication a plus b plus c plus that second third c multiplication a plus b plus c. So this is the expansion of that multiplication of that term with that second term. Now I will separately multiply with a inside the bracket, b inside the bracket, and with c inside the bracket. So it will be a multiplication a plus a multiplication b plus a multiplication c. So this is a multiplication of that a with inside the bracket. Similarly, we have to do for b and c. So now b multiplication a plus b multiplication b plus b multiplication c. Now plus similarly we have to do for c multiplication a plus c multiplication b plus c multiplication c. Okay, now we will do simplification. So a into a square plus a into b will be ab plus a into c becomes ac plus now b into a we can write a into b because a alphabetically comes first, so we can write ab plus b into b we can write b square plus b into c we can write bc plus c into a we can write ac because alphabetically a come first and c after that. So plus here c into b we can write bc plus c into c will get c square. So here we got ab ac bc and bc. That means that both terms are repeating. So whatever will be the square term that we will write together. So a square plus that b square plus c square. That means that whatever will be the square term we have that we have written together, a square plus b square plus c square. Now whatever will be that term, that means multiplication product of two variables ab and ab plus ab we can write 2ab plus bc and bc we can write 2bc plus ac and ac we can write 2ac. So a plus b plus c bracket square will be equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. So this will be our expansion formula. Okay, so this will be our expansion formula of that. So this is our first example based on that formula. So I have written that formula a plus b plus c whole square which is equal to a square plus b square plus c square plus 2ab plus 2bc plus 2ac. Okay. Now if you look at our example which is p plus q plus 3 bracket square. Okay. P plus q plus 3 bracket square. So we have to find the expansion. That means question is expand that term. Okay. Now we can compare that example with our formula, and the value of a will be p, value of b will be q, and the value of c will be 3. Similarly, we have to substitute that all the values in our formula so that we will get the expansion. So it will be first term square plus second term square plus third term square. That three terms plus we have to do the multiplication of first and second term p into q plus 2 into multiplication of second and third term which is q into 3 plus multiplication of first and third term which is p into 3. Now I have to do simplification. P square will be p square, q square. Now square of 3 9. Okay. Plus now 2 into p into q will be 2 p q plus 2 into q into 3. 3 2s are 6, so it will be 6q plus 2 into p into 3 will be 2 3s are 6, 6p. So if you solve that example, you will get p square plus q square plus 9 plus 2pq plus 6q plus 6p. Now we have to arrange them into according to their orders. So it will be p square will come first plus q square. Now 2pq so after that 6q 6p plus constant term will be at last. So that will be the expansion of that term p plus q plus 3 bracket square. So by using our formula, that is how we have to solve. So this is our second example. Expand 2p plus 3m plus 4n bracket square. Same we have to compare with our formula, and that is how we have to solve. So if we compare with our formula, the value of a will be 2p, value of b will be 3m, and value of c will be 4m. So we have to write according to formula 2p bracket square plus 3m bracket square plus 4n bracket square, that is square of all the three terms, plus 2 multiplication first into second, which is 2p multiplication 3m, plus 2 multiplication of second and third term, which is 2m 3m multiplication 4n, plus 2 multiplication first and third term, which is 2p multiplication 4n. Now we have to do simplification, as we have written the expansion form. Now we have to do simplification. 2p square, that means square of 2 will be 4 and p square will be p square, plus square of 3 9 n square, plus square of 4 16 n square, plus now 2 multiplication 2 4 4 3 are 12, so it will be 12 mp, because alphabetically that so it will be mp plus 2 into 3 into 4, 2 into 3 6, 6 into 4 24, 24 mn, plus 2 into 2 4, 4 4s are 16, 16 np. So that will be 4p square plus 9m square plus 16n square plus 12mp plus 24mn plus 16np. That will be the expansion of that given term. So our question, example number 3 will be simplify L plus 2m plus n bracket square plus L minus 2m plus n bracket square. That means we have to do simplification. That means that a plus b plus c bracket square formula we have to apply twice. That means first for this term and another one for this term, and then separated by plus sign. So we will use that formula for both the terms. So if you use for that first term, value of a will be L, value of b will be 2m, and value of c will be n. So according to our formula, we have to substitute the value. First term square plus second term square plus third term square plus 2 multiplication first term into second term, which is L into 2m, plus 2 multiplication second into third term, which is 2m into n, plus 2 multiplication first and second term, first and third term, which is L into L. Now we have written expansion for that first term. Now same thing we have to do for second term as well, separated by plus sign. So if you carefully look at that term, the value of a is L here and value of b is minus 2m. If you carefully look at that second term, the value of b is minus 2m, and we have to use the minus 2m value of b, not 2m. And the value of c is same. So that thing we will do for the second term, which is first term square plus minus 2m bracket square. The value of b is minus 2m plus value of c n square plus 2 multiplication L into minus 2m plus 2 multiplication minus 2m into n plus 2 multiplication L into n. This is the expansion of second term, and this one is the expansion of first term. Now we have to do simplification. L square plus 2m square, square of 2 is 4m square plus n square plus 2 into 2 will be 4. So 2 into 2 will be 4 and 4 lm will come, because alphabetically L come first, plus 2 into 2 will be 4 mn plus 2 ln. So this is a simplification for first term, plus Now we have to do simplification for second term as well. L square plus now minus 2m bracket square. We know the square of negative term will be positive. So square of 2 minus 2 will be 4 plus 4 and square of m will be m square plus that n square. Now here look here 2 multiplication l into minus 2m. Now 2 multiplication minus 2 will be minus 4. So it will be minus 4 l m. Similarly here also 2 multiplication with minus 2 will be minus 4 m and n plus 2 ln. Okay, so that is what we got. So if you carefully look at that term, l square repeating, 4m square repeating, n square, we have n square, 4lm and we have minus 4ln. So that same thing with opposite sign on the same side of the is equal to sign we can cancel. So 4mn minus 4mn we can cancel them because same thing we have on the same side with opposite sign. Similarly, like if you have same side on the 4 minus 6 plus 7, so we can cancel 6 and minus 6 because the value will be 0. So similarly like that we have to do here also. So 4lm minus 4lm, 4mn and minus 4mn gets cancelled with each other. And whatever will be the like terms, that means same terms, we have to add them. Now L and L we have, so we can write 2L square, 4M square, we can write 8M square. Now N square and N square we can write 2N square. Now 2Ln and 2Ln we can write 4Ln. So 2L square plus 8M square plus 2N square plus 4ln. So that will be our final answer of that simplification. Okay. Practice set 5.4 will be your homework and questions I will send in our group. Okay. Thank you.